Hi, I'm Hasta with WTI, and I love doing my makeup. And that's why I always try to make sure I look fresh, especially in the morning. And this HD Studio Photogenic Concealer from NYX in the shade 06.3 Fresh Beige has saved my life, especially in the morning when I'm in a rush. I don't usually wear foundation. So with a concealer, it's just enough for daily makeup. It's very light and it's also medium coverage. So it will look very natural once you put it on. This is what the applicator looks like. It's a very comfortable applicator to hold, so you can have lots of control on how much product you apply. I think if you want to go for a more natural look, you can use either your fingers or a beauty blender. This one also covers blemishes, imperfections, skin discolorations, dark circles. I use it for dark circles mostly because I do not have lots of blemish on my face, but here I show you how it can even cover moles or some discoloration on your skin. So if you guys want a concealer that will make you feel beautiful but also leave a natural look on your face, this is the one from NYX, and that's my point of view.